Hi, everyone. This is Stephen talking to you from Austin, Texas. Have you ever had the experience in therapy sessions where clients freeze and lose the ability to talk, or where they cover their faces and try to hide, or when they get angry and accuse you of insulting them? All of these are situations that I believe involve shame on the part of clients. And if you're interested in learning how to manage these types of situations, I invite you to the workshop I'm doing in Buenos Aires, August 25th and 26th, called Working with Shame in Psychological Assessment and in Psychotherapy. I'm really excited to talk to you about the concept of shame and about recent psychological theories about shame and why it exists and how to work with it in clients. Shame has been identified as connected to many of the psychological problems that we encounter in our practices. And unaddressed shame is now known to be a major factor in many psychotherapies that fail. So please consider coming to this workshop. It requires you to be in person, and we'll be doing some exercises as part of the workshop. But I also want to assure you, you will be entirely protected and safe. There's no attempt to expose you or put you in situations where you might feel vulnerable. So if you're interested, please contact Ernesto Pais and register, and I look forward to seeing you in Buenos Aires soon. Bye-bye.